So this is actually lesson number 24 for grade 2 mathematics, and we are starting now today subtraction with regrouping. This is subtraction with regrouping. So please open page number 39 of your book. Open page number 39 of your book. Page number 39 of your book. Page number 39 of your book. The heading is subtraction with regrouping. And here we have one example. Example is saying twinkle. Let me select a highlighter. Okay. Twinkle has 33 cubes. How many cubes Twinkle is having? 33. And Chuckles takes away 16 cubes. And Chuckles takes 16 cubes and go away. How many cubes does Chuckle have now? So for that you need to minus 16 from 13. What you will do, you will subtract the ones first. Okay. But if you see, when you write 33 and 16, so obviously what you do, you subtract first one's number, right? But there is 3 and there is 6. If you check here in the figure, this is the 33, okay? In 33, how many tens are there? 3. So there are 3 tens, 1, 2, and 3. And how many ones are there? 3 ones. So there are 3 ones. So 3 tens and 3 ones means 33. Now, you need to minus how many? 16. How many ones in 16? 6. So can you cut 6 ones in this? No, because these are only 3. How can you cut 6? If they are 2, you cut 2. If they are 3, you cut 3. But they are 6. They are more than that. So what you will do now, you will break this 1/10 into the ones. This one, remember, this 1/10 mean these are actually 10 ones. When I break this 10 block and put it into the ones, so these are now 10 and these are 3. So total 13 ones. Again I am repeating what I did, because I cannot cut 6 ones from 3 ones. So I break this tens. I regroup this tens into again ones. I regroup this tens into ones. So these are 10 ones. I regroup it with ones. So now there are 3 and 10, total 13 ones. Check here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So there are now 13 ones. Now I can cut 6 ones. So I want to cut 6 ones. So look at here in the example. 1, 2, I can cut for you here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and this is 6. So 6 ones are now cut. How many ones are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I write 7 ones. Okay. Now, come again here in the picture. When you regroup this 1/10 here into the ones, so now how many tens are remaining here? 2. They are not more. They are not 3 now, because you regroup 1/10 into the ones, so they are 2 now. So it is not 3. It is not 3 now. It is 2. It is 2. So when you get 1 out of 2, so you will cut 1 like it. Here I will cut 1 and only 1/10 remaining. So the answer is 1/10 and 7 ones. That is 17. That is 17. Very good. Okay. Now I'm going to unmute all of you. Then I will explain one more example. Before unmuting all of you, I'm repeating again. When you have a number, when you're subtracting any number, like suppose 33 and 16, and 3 is smaller than 6, you have 3 ones and you have to minus 6 ones. Okay, you have 3 ones here in 33 and you have to minus 6 ones. So you will regroup tens into the ones and then you will minus 6. When you regroup 1 ten, so they are, you have to minus here 1 tens. They were 3 now because you regroup 1 ten, so they are now 2. Then you cut out 6 here and 7 remaining. You cut out 1 here from 2, so only 1 remaining. Okay, I'm going to limit all of you. Yes, guys, do you understand it?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
No.
Do you understand it, guys?
Yes. Yes. I know.
Okay.
Yes, I understand.
Come to page number 40 now.
Yes. Okay.
Open page number 40. Don't make noise. Open page number 40, please. Open page number 40. Yes. Did you open page number 40?
Yes.
Now, from page number 40, you can see this is, you have to find the difference between, guys, I can hear too much background noise, but uh, I want to listen your answers. That's why I have opened your minds.
Because I'm clean.
You have to find the difference between 823 and 625. So what you will do first you have to place. You will write 823 first. 8 is on 100 place, so you will write 8 on the 100 place. 2 is on the tens place, and 3 is on the ones place. And 625, 6 is on the 100 place, 2 is on the tens place, and 5 is on the ones place. Now you place it. First, you will subtract the ones. 3 ones minus 5 ones. So if you check the figure, so can you minus 5 ones from 3 ones? No. Even I taught you the drawing method. If I draw here 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, and I tell you to cut 5 lines. So you will say, sir, no, I cannot cut 5 lines. These are 3. I cannot cut 5. Right? So you cannot cut 5 lines from 3. That's mean you cannot get out 5 from 3. So what you will do now, you will regroup this tens. You will regroup this tens and regroup this tens into ones. So here is the tens, which is I'm regrouping. This is the 10, which I'm regrouping into ones. So there were 3 ones, now these are 10. So I will write 1 here and that becomes 13. Okay. So now I have 13 ones. So from here I can also see 1, 2, 3. If I draw 13 lines, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I need to minus how much? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I write 8. But remember, because I do regroup this to 10, so this is now 1. This is not 2 now. This is 1. Okay. Again, when I come to subtract tens, so these are 1 tens and I need to subtract how many tens? 2 tens. I cannot subtract 1 tens from 2 tens from 1. I draw one line. If I say cut 2 lines, so you say I cannot cut it. What you will do? You will regroup 100 with the tens. Okay. So when you regroup 100 with the tens, so it will become, look here in the figure. This is the 100 I am regrouping with the tens, right? So there were 1 tens, now there are 11 tens. Okay, they are now 11 tens. One more here now. So now you can draw 11 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many you need to minus? Only 2. So just cut 2 lines and count how many lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 lines are left. Just we write 9 here. Okay? Write 9. Remember, you regroup 100 with the 10. So this is not 8 now. This is now 7. Okay? And from now you have 7 minus 6. So draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many you need to minus? 6. So cut out 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many lines are left? Only 1. So the answer is here 198. I'll show you down. 700 minus 600 is equals to 198. In that way you have to complete it. I will repeat it for you again. Yes. First you have to subtract the ones, right? When you subtract, when you are subtracting 5 ones from 3, so you realize that you cannot subtract 5 from 3. So you regroup 110 with the 3. Now it is 13 after regrouping 110. So when you regroup 1 tens and 3 ones, it is now 13 ones. So 13 1 minus 5 ones, you know that is 8 ones. The second thing you will do, you will subtract the tens. Okay. So when you are subtracting tens, you know that it is not 2, it is 1 now, because 1 10 you already regrouped with the ones. So from 1 you cannot get out of 2. So that's why again you regroup with the 100. So now it is when you regroup 100 and 110, so it is now 11 tens. So from 11, if you minus 2 tens, so they are now 9 tens. Okay. And then the third one is you have to subtract the hundreds. So remember, it is not 8 now, it is 7 now. Okay, it is 7 now, because 100 you have already regrouped it. So 7 out of 6, 6 out of 7, when you minus 6 from 7, you got 100. This is the answer. Why your Saud Al Amir, Muhammad Shamis, Suleiman, you guys are totally busy in the chatting while I'm explaining. So I should cut your classwork marks for that. I'm explaining you the subtraction with regrouping. Okay. Yes, guys, do you understand?
Yes.
Are you ready to practice? Are you ready to practice?
Yes.
Can you do it by yourself?
Yes.
Yes, can you do it by yourself?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to practice. This is our practice sheet. Okay, and here we have too many questions. The first question is 159 minus 62. Okay, so I'll take one participant to help me out. Saud Al-Hamir, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Saud. 9 minus 2 is equals to?
9 what?
9 minus 2 is equals to?
9
This,
minus.
can you see the screen?
Yes.
This is 9 minus 2. Result. Yes.
9 minus 2. 7.
7. You can also draw lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. How many you need to cut? 2.
7.
Now they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will say, sir, there are 7 lines. Okay. There are 7. Okay. Alright. It is 7. Now, can you get 6 out of 5?
6 out of 5. 1.
Yes. No, you cannot do it. You have to minus 6 from 5. Okay. So first draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now cut 6 lines. Cut 6 lines. Can you cut 6 lines?
No.
No. So what you will do now?
I will take from the 100.
Exactly. You will take from the hundreds and you will regroup it. And now 5 will become what?
Will become 6.
15. Okay. Now 5 will become 15 and guys, this is for all of you. I'm repeating again. This is not for Saud. I'm repeating. Remember, you have to listen to me. Okay, because first you have to understand it carefully, then you will be very fluent to answer. Now it is 15. 15, 6 out of 15. So you should draw 15 lines now. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. How many lines you need to cut? Yes, 6. So I will cut 6 lines. 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. Now check how many lines are left. So 15 minus 6 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lines are left. So you will write 9. And this was not 1 now because you regroup this one already, so this becomes 0. So don't need to write 0. Okay. The answer is 97. The answer is 97. I'll write 97 here and I will take one more student for the next question. Ayan, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Ayan. Come to the question number 2, that is B. Here we have to subtract 3 from 8. Can we subtract 3 from 8?
No.
Why not?
Yes.
Yes. Draw 8 lines and cut out 3 lines. I'll show you here. Draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many I need to subtract? How many I need to minus? Yes,
3.
3. So I will cut 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. Now, how many lines are
5.
remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer? 8 minus 3 is equals to
5.
5. Very good. Okay. Now please tell me, uh, 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. 4 minus 7. Can I minus 7 from 4?
No.
Why?
Why? Because it is 4
4
and
is smaller.
7.
Alright. 4 is smaller, 7 is bigger. I show you that we cannot subtract 7 from 4. Look here. I draw 4 lines here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And how many I need to cut? 7. I cannot cut 7 lines from 4. So what I will do here now?
Give up 1 and it becomes
I
14.
will I will regroup. I will regroup this. I will take regroup 100 to tens, and that will become 14 tens. Okay. Now I will draw 14 lines. These are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. How many I need to minus? 7. So I will minus 2 to 4, 5, and 6, 7.
1,
How many are left now? 1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7,
7. So
8,
14 minus 7 is equals to 7. So I will write 7.
7.
Here, 7. Okay. Now, this is not 3 now. This is 2.
Now it is 2 and
It is 2 now. Because we
and
regroup it. 2 minus 2 is equals to? Check here. I draw 2
0,
lines and I cut 2 lines. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So I don't need to write. So the answer is here 75.
7.
Very good. 75 is the answer. Guys, you have to practice a lot for subtraction with regrouping so that you can have a good practice. You can have a good
Then
command on it.
now I understand.
You have a question? Now you understand.
Yes. Which is the bigger number, like 7 and 4?
Yes.
It
Yes.
can work if the 3 will give him only 1, it becomes 14,
Yes.
and
I'll explain it.
we have
Listen, guys. Uh, how do you know that this you can subtract it or you cannot subtract it? The easy way that if you have a smaller number, if you have a smaller number like give us 4, 4 minus 7, and on the down you have bigger number, that's mean you cannot subtract it because you have to draw 4 lines and you cannot cut 7 lines because 7 is bigger. Okay, so for that you need to regroup it. I hope you are getting. I want you to understand it. That's why I'm repeating it again and again. For one last question for the part C, I will also explain the whole question. Then from the part D, E, and F, we will take participants. Or I can unmute all of you, I think, for a while. Guys, yes.
yes.
Can you help me to solve this?
Hello.
436 minus
I can.
373.
Audio.
237 minus 182. This is the question. First, I need to raise it.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes. Yes, tell me, sir.
There,
Yes.
my
I'll take one more student. Muhammad Hatham. Muhammad Hatham, can you hear me? Muhammad Hatham, can you hear me? Muhammad, can you hear me? He did not. Muhammad Farooq, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Muhammad Farooq. 7 minus 2. Tell me 7 minus 2 is equals to? Hmm, Abdulaziz Muhammad, Ahmad, Ahmad Yusuf, Wali Sultan, Ahmad. Amjad, Anas, Amal, Al-Wali Sultan, Ahmad Yusuf, and Abdulaziz Muhammad. I have opened all of your mics, right?
Yes.
I want to subtract 182 from 237, part C. Can you see on the screen? This one. Can you see here?
Yes.
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 I will subtract first once. 7 minus 2. For 7 minus 2,
Cannot.
tell me the result. 7 minus 2 is equals to what?
5.
5. How you can say it cannot be? Draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many you need to minus?
2.
2. So I will cut 2 lines. Now how many lines are left?
5.
5. So we can subtract it. Okay. The answer is
5.
5. Okay. Now the second number is on the tens we have 3 and 8. So can we minus 8 from 3?
No.
No.
Yes. No? So what we will do?
Regroup.
Regroup.
We will take 1. We'll take 1 from 2, or we will regroup 100 to tens. So we will regroup 100 with tens. It is now 13. So can you minus 8 from 13?
Yes.
Draw 13 lines. 1,
Yes.
2, 3,
28. Not 28.
5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. How many you need to minus? 8. Cut out 8 lines. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now how many lines are left?
5.
The answer
5.
is 5. Answer is 5.
Then.
Now, listen. This is not 3 now. This is not 2 now because it is a regroup. It has already regrouped with this 3. So this is now 1. 1 minus 1 is equals to, when you draw one line,
0.
0. So you don't need to write 0. So the answer is here 55. The answer is here 55. Do you understand?
Yes.
Any problem?
No.
Okay, guys. So again, I'm repeating how you have to do it. You have to check whether you can subtract or not. 7 minus 2 is easy, so you draw 7 lines, you cut 2 lines, and the answer is 5. But when you check the 8 cannot be subtracted from 3, because if you draw 3 lines, you cannot cut 8 lines from 3. So you take 1 from 2, or you regroup 100 with the 10. So now there are 13 tens, and you have to minus 8 tens. So draw 13 lines, cut 8 tens, so you find the answer 5. This is not 2 now, because it has already regrouped with 3. This is now 1. So now 1 out of 1 is equals to 0. You don't need to write 0. Okay. Now I'm going to unmute all of you. We finished up today lesson here. From D, E, F we will do tomorrow, inshallah.
Sir,
Yes.
I want to Sulan.
You want to? Yes. This is not from the book. This is not from the book. We completed, we studied from 39 and 40, and this is the practice. Okay. Okay, guys, wait for a while. Wait for a while. Guys, I have already given you a homework, and I am watching that nobody is completing homework. If you check in the weekly plan, so question number 1, 2, 3, 4, these all were homework, previous homeworks, and nobody is completing. Why you are not completing your homework, guys, from the testing zone? Why you are not completing your homework? You have to complete your homework. You have to complete your homework. From page number 44. I'm telling you again, homework, page number 44, testing zone, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, and question number 5. This was the homework. Question number 1 the homework for Sunday, 2 for Monday, 3 for Tuesday, 4 for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Up to question number 4 you have to complete. Up to question number 4. From Sunday we started from question 2, sorry. Question 2, 3, 4, and now 5. These all are your homework. From page number 44. Page number 44. Kindly check your weekly plan. This all written here in the weekly plan. Write down your homework. Okay guys, now it's time to say bye-bye. Inshallah, we will start practicing tomorrow from here. Bye-bye. Yes. Bye. Page number 44. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye.